Dig Management – Grouping Anomalies into digs. Welcome back. In this video, we will provide an overview of how to group anomalies into digs under a dig plan as part of our Cognitive Integrity Management User Guide video series. Before we get into the solution, in order to get the most value from this step, you must ensure the following. You have previously completed an analysis in which you have identified actionable anomalies. The analysis is in an approved status. You have created a dig plan for these digs to fall under. Okay, now we are ready to jump into the solution. To get to the Dig Management module, you will see it as an option under Processes in the main navigation bar. In this video, we will be editing a previously created dig plan. From the Dig Plan search screen, you will need to find the dig plan that you previously created. Click on the Edit icon to start editing this record. Once the Dig Plan Detail screen loads, you will see the Dig Plan metadata in the header of the screen and several tabs below containing information on digs, attachments, reports, workflow, and comments related to this dig plan. To create digs or group your actionable anomalies into digs, you must click on the Digs tab in the Dig Plan. In the Digs tab, you will see a digs grid that will list any digs that you have or plan to create. There are two methods of creating these digs: manual dig or smart dig creation. Now we will go over both options, and you can decide which is the best option for you. Manual dig. Under this option, you have the ability to manually choose which anomalies go into each dig. The anomalies can be grouped in any way that you see fit. This is done by first clicking on the plus Manual Dig button on the top right of the digs grid. This will open the Dig Create screen. From this screen, one or more vendor reports must be selected from which to pull anomalies from. After choosing one or more vendor reports, click Search to see what anomalies are available to be grouped. Click the checkbox next to each anomaly that you would like to add and click Save to group them into one dig. If you have multiple digs to create, you can use the Save and New button to remain on this page and continue to create new digs. Smart Dig. This option allows you to have the system automatically group all available anomalies into digs based on the desired distance between anomalies entered. This is done by clicking the Smart Dig button on the top right of the digs grid. This will open the Dig Create screen. From this screen, one or more vendor reports must be selected from which SIM will pull anomalies from. You will then be able to use the slider to enter the desired distance between anomalies. The Dig Features grid will populate below, showing all anomalies available to be grouped. Right under the Distance Between Anomalies bar, you will see a dig estimate to let you know how many digs will result by grouping based on the distance chosen. You are able to adjust the distance until you are happy with the estimate. To commit this work and create the digs, click the Create X number of digs button. In both of the options, Smart or Manual Dig, if no anomalies populate in the Dig Features grid after you have entered all the required inputs, this means that either all actionable anomalies have already been grouped into other digs, or there were no actionable anomalies that came out of the vendor reports selected. SIM only allows each anomaly to exist under one dig. Once it has been assigned to a dig, it will no longer be an available anomaly to be selected for another dig. If you decide that the anomaly should in fact be moved to another dig, this can be done by deleting it out of the original dig and adding it manually to the correct dig. Now that you've created your digs, you are brought back to the Dig Plan Detail screen, where you should now see the digs grid populated. From here, you can manage your digs, drill down further into them, upload repair data, and even run reports, which we will go over in the next video. We have now covered a basic overview of how to create digs. Please feel free to send any questions related to this module to support@onebridgesolutions.com. Thank you for joining. Please continue to the next video in the series.